Malem Sinba Thungnaba Pangthokliba World Art Day gi saru ama oina akoibagi saktam kalasi haibagi pausal puba cyclotron ama Directorate of Environment and Climate Change sinduna Imphal City gi akoibada pangthokrai kumza lising ani kuntra fawbui manungda seda sigi akoiba amadi ayinga sagi saktamda chawna ahongba leihanabagi pandam thamni haina Principal Secretary AK Sinhana Phongdokrai Cyclotron asi Kangla gi nongchup thangba thonggal dagi Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinhana lamtharaba matung Kaisampa tagi mayai lambi gi pisum thong fauduna chingamakha taraba matung Babupara amadi Sanjen thong fauduna laklaga Imphal East gi Porompata leiba Directorate of Environment and Climate Change gi loisangda lamthung fam oikhi Cyclotron aduga mari leinana Sinhana makha taraduna ayinga sada chawna honglakliba sidagi kanba ngamnaba Directorate asigi maikaidagi awangba thakta hotnari Janims Hospital da solarization gi khongthang paikhat padanatana Ukhrul da Eco Resilient Climate Center hangdokrai Directorate asigi maikaidagi e-mobility auto sing fawba yenthokpada natana district khudimakta weather station hangdoklei masida natana akoibagi saktamda sokloidaba khongthang kayasu Directorate asigi maikaidagi paikhanaba semsari miyamnasu achoba thodang lobiyu haina pauzelakli Cyclotron adubu sinbada achoba mating pangliba Association of Healthcare Providers Manipur chapter gi president oriba Suza Hospital gi CMD Dr. KH Palinna Tilgang Singna Malem Masidagi Mankiba Matamda Mioibadi Hinghoba Ngamloi Mioibana Mankiba Matamdadi Malem Masi Amukhana Mapung Mari Farakani Habasi Mioibai Koina Kangzin Famtoi Ozone layer repair tauba haurakpagi khudam fangba simak nungaiba pauni hena fagat hanaba mipum khudimakna amatta oina chatminaba changi haiki.
So, and as far as Manipur is concerned, we have done quite a bit in terms of environment. For example, Janims, we have done the solarization. We have also set up a climate resilient eco village in Lungharuk rule. We have done state climate change cell here in Manipur. Also, we have provided e-mobility for 65 numbers of e-autos. We have also installed 37 automated weather stations in all districts.
Amaromda Cyclotron asibu mapung fana bahonabada jaba thodang loriba Editors Guild Manipur gi General Secretary oriba Impact News ki Editor in Chief Rupachandra Yumnamna Art Day ga mari lainana Environment and Climate Change Department saliba Cyclotron asima EGM na mapung fana sagatli Manipur gi miyamna su malem gi oina honglakliba ingasagi awon basing asigi chaitheng panglibani maikhu chenba gari sijanaba heliba makai amadi fossil fuel lauthokliba makai Global warming wangkhalakduna achauba chaitheng sing lakhigani malemgi demography da achauba onba ma laktringaida mipum khudingna wakhal taminaduna maikhu chenba gari sijanaba hanthahanduna cycle thobagi hainabi thamlasi haina phongdokhi